Hi, everyone. Thanks for being here today. I hope you are well. So, if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Casey Garrett. I am a healing arts practitioner based in Northern California here in the United States. And thank you for being here. So, I wanted to record a little video. There's quite a bit of information here on my website about my background and my bio and the work that I've done. But sometimes when you're contemplating working with someone or joining a course or coaching with someone, it's nice to get just a better sense of them, hear their voice, and hear a little bit more about their approach and see their face and get a sense of them to see if that's someone you want to work with. So I wanted to share a little bit more about my approach and my philosophy to help you feel more connected to our offerings. And if you're curious, invite you to learn more by applying to work with us and to experience some courses and coaching with us. So welcome. So a little bit more about me, my background. I've been in the healing arts now for coming up on 25 years. I am so passionate about this field. I feel so blessed to have found it relatively early in my life and have had the blessing of so many years to learn and explore and heal both myself and others through these practices. So I've studied many, many different modalities and techniques over the years. I'm just as passionate today about this work as I have ever been. I feel like I'm constantly learning, and I'm very blessed to work alongside so many just absolutely gifted healers and beautiful human beings along the way. Deeply grateful for that. So, like a lot of healing arts practitioners right now, I feel like we're living in this very unique and special moment right now. In a lot of ways, I feel like all of the work that we have done, both in our personal work and healing work in our own lives, as well as everything we have studied, everything we have learned from every client we've had, I feel like those of us in the healing arts collectively, in many ways, have been working toward this moment our whole lives. There's been this sense of um, change and transition that's been coming intuitively. That's been coming. And now that it's here, it's very present and real that it's here right now. So it's such a unique moment for every single one of us to really shift and transition and to take back our own power and our own voice and our own knowing in our own health. What we perceive as health, what we know to be true for ourselves, and supporting each other to achieve our best and most vibrant health and healing. So, a little bit more about my approach. I am a big proponent of diversity. I do not believe there is one best healing modality. So, I think each person is going to resonate with a different style and type of things, be it body work, be it meditation, be it yoga. I don't think there is one perfect modality for everyone. I don't think there is one best modality for everyone. I think it depends on the person, their unique circumstances, their what they're going through in their life, where they are in their life cycle, and their own personal evolution. So I think all of us together are stronger. And the more we can integrate all of the healing modalities that are available to us, we are stronger for it when we all work collaboratively and together with a deep respect for the gifts that each other brings. We are all each other's teachers. We are all a student of lives in life perpetually. And so I don't believe there's a one perfect modality. So if that is the perspective that you bring in to your work, or to your preferences, we're probably not going to be in alignment, because I am very much for exploration and curiosity and bringing an open mind to our own healing as well as the healing of others. I also believe, I deeply believe, and have so much admiration for scientists and doctors and the life saving abilities that we have cultivated. The technology um, is amazing what we have now for diagnostic abilities. The pharmaceuticals we have to cure and save lives is amazing. But I also deeply believe in having equal reverence and listening ability to the other worlds. Um, the natural based world has been here so much longer than we have. Nature is just amazing in her depth of knowledge and her wisdom and her ability to heal, if we are to just listen. There's so much out there for us to receive, and to be grateful for. So I also encourage people, while we learn a lot about healing from a Western medical healing traditional model, I also incorporate a lot of animal wisdom, plant medicine, um, fungi in the mushroom world of medicine, and just the healing that we learn from the planet and Mother Nature. So I hold all of those things in high esteem. I try to incorporate all of them in our healing and our daily lives. So hopefully that too, you are open to those things. The one last piece I wanted to share with you that I feel is so valuable, um, is I work and have worked a lot one on one with people. So in my own private practice, in the past, I've worked with many celebrities and professional athletes and people who are very well known, that because of the nature of their profession, they're quite well known. So they really do need to work one on one with me, just for privacy's sake. However, when at all possible, I so believe in um, community and holding space for each other. And there's tremendous power and healing in sharing our own stories and hearing and learning from the stories of others. So, as part of our programs and our learning, while there will be components of self study, self learning, and one on one coaching and guidance available, we also will have a group coaching and community format, bringing people together from all over the country, all over the world, um, with different backgrounds, experiences, ready to hold sacred space, and a safe healing container for us to learn exponentially, and I believe heal exponentially when given the tools, the skills, and most importantly, the safe space to share with vulnerability, open mindedness. I really think that will be what really catalyzes and catapults us forward as human beings going forward, is sharing our stories, learning to communicate with trust and vulnerability, and bringing in the diverse, rich experience of our human reality, as well as all the wisdom of the collective kingdoms that we have here on the planet and shared world with us. So that's a little bit about me and my approach to life and the healing arts. I'm happy to share much more with you inside our courses, inside our programs. If it is of interest to you to learn more, you're welcome to apply to work with us. Right now, we have one on one coaching, consulting available, and soon to have workshops, virtual learning, self guided study, and group community personal development programs along the way. So we look forward to seeing you. We're super excited for the future and hope to see you all going forward. All right. Take good care. Bye bye.